Committee on Protection and Preservation of Historical Rights of Kobru and Tangzing Hill Range convener Sapamcha Jadumani has urged the Manipur government take up measures to protect the Kobru and Tangzing ranches. He also urged for taking up the matter in the ongoing 12th session of 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly. COVID-19 vaccination for Moreh police and civil administration staff of Moreh began today. The vaccination drive was held at Moreh Sub-District Hospital. YAISKUL Block Congress Committee today organized a sit-in protest demanding disqualification of 12 MLAs who were appointed as parliamentary secretaries by the present state government. The protest was held at Ola Ground, KONGBA. YAISKUL Block Congress Committee co-opted PCC member Huidrom Bikramjit said that the BJP-led government is challenging the democracy and law of the land by ignoring the order of the Manipur High Court to disqualify the 12 MLAs. Pradhan of Mayeng Lamjau Gram Panchayat Narjit Luang and owner of Lamyanba Enterprises Amit Kumar provided uniforms to football players of Football Club Lamjau and players who are participating in AMFA Cup and other football tournaments. Institute of Bioresources and Sustainable Development IBSD in association with Apunba Manipur Maiba Maibi Furup organized a one-day state-level workshop on exploring traditional medicinal practices of Manipur today at IBSD Takyelpat. Ayush Director Dr. A. Guneshwar attended the program. Fresh tensions have erupted along the ASSAM-MIZORAM border yesterday. Several houses were set ablaze and many sustained injuries in the clashes. A media report said blame game has begun between both the sides following the clashes as locals from both the sides are holding each other responsible for the clashes. The tension erupted at the disputed Bairabi Jopai area in Mizoram's Kolasip district. The same disputed area is known as Kachurthal in Assam's Hailakandi district. As many as 11,067 COVID-19 cases and 13,087 discharges were reported in India in the last 24 hours, the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare informed today. A media report said with this the total number of cases in the country has reached 1,858,371, including 1,41,511 active cases and 1,561,608 discharges. The death toll has mounted to 1,55,252 with a loss of 94 lives due to the virus in the past 24 hours. 7,36,903 samples were tested for COVID-19 yesterday. The Indian Council of Medical Research informed India has been recording less than 150 daily COVID-19 deaths for the last 11 days. Manipur's COVID-19 case count stands at 29,137 after 6 new cases were reported in the last 24 hours as per the data from the State COVID-19 Common Control Room. The fresh cases were reported from Imphal East, Imphal West, Thoubal, Kakching and Senapati districts. The state's death toll stands at 373 with no fatality reported in the last 24 hours. The cumulative number of active cases is 77 while the recovery cases reach 28,697. The state's recovery rate is 98.45% as of 11 a.m. today. Protests spread across Myanmar today after the most violent day in demonstration against the military coup. Reuters said that the United States and United Nations condemned the use of force against protesters who are demanding the reversal of the February 1 coup and the release of Aung San Suu Kyi and other detained leaders of a National League for Democracy and activists. Thousands of people joined demonstrations in the main city of Yangon. In the capital, Naypyidaw, hundreds of government workers marched in support of a growing civil disobedience campaign. Bhutan Wangchu Bridge on Damchu Ha Link Road, which was nearing completion, collapsed last night, killing at least 3 people, a media report said. The 204-meter-long bridge was under construction by Border Road Organization. According to reports, 9 people were working at the site when the bridge collapsed. 3 bodies have been recovered and 6 people remain missing.